If you have been struggling with starting a YouTube automation channel, or you want to get started in creating a faceless channel that will earn you thousands of dollars monthly, then you have found the right video. This channel was able to garner 118,000 subscribers and over 5 million views with only 15 videos. All the posts on YouTube are self-help videos. Dream Sparks, another faceless channel that shares simple philosophy videos, was able to reach over 7 million views, even though the channel was started in middle of 2023. We could start comparing how fast these channels grew with the growth rate of traditional channels. But you don't need a soothsayer to know who wins that battle. Growing YouTube channels the conventional way is a real hassle, which is why faceless channels that leverage AI tools are booming right now. Luckily, it is not too late to hop on the trend. In this video, we are going to be taking you by the hand and showing you how you can create a YouTube automation channel and rack up thousands of views faster than you know it. Take a pause now and look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see thumbs up and subscribe icons. All you have to do is click on them to help others like you find this video. Now that you have done that, let's get you on the path to 1 million views. Social Psychology Masters have over 638,000 subscribers and average 5 million views in a year. Their revenue is a little under $10,000 in the last 1 year. In contrast, How To I launched in April 2023, and as at the time of our research, had 108 videos, yet it drew in 6.75 million views in the last year and revealed their revenue to be over $45,000. That means they have about 1.2x more views than Social Psychology Masters and 4 times their revenue. Why is How To AI earning so much more even though it is the younger channel and have published less videos? The answer lies in the niches they have chosen. The niche you choose to build your channel in determines your revenue per meal or RPM. That is the money that YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views that your video has. Choosing a high-paying niche is important if you want to make good money in the shortest possible time. Some niches pay higher than others because demand is high for videos in those niches, and other factors. When we say niche, we mean categories that classify the problem your videos solve. For example, How To AI is in the AI niche, which is getting a lot of interest right now as the global trend turns to artificial intelligence and automation. The AI niche has an RPM ranging between $4 to $10 per 1,000 views. Based on the revenue figures for How To AI, the channel seems to be earning $7.5 per 1,000 views. In comparison, the psychology niche RPM sits at $2.5 to $5 per mila. Because of this difference in their revenue, if Social Psychology Masters would get paid less for their videos even if those videos have the same views as those posted by an AI channel. So it is easy to see how the choice of niche affects channels. The question now is which niches are best for faceless channels. Anime self-help niche is one of our best bets. Channels like Incognito CEO and Fame Inspector are dominating the niche and earning $4.5 per 1,000 views. 3D animations, business documentaries, and ancient philosophy niches should also be on your consideration list. Channels that create videos that tell simple moral stories, as well as those end the scary video niches, are also earning a lot on YouTube. Creating these type of videos are easy with Leonardo.ai and Midjourney, making it easier than ever to create animations. Last but not least, there's also the AI niche, especially those channels that talk about making money online using AI just like our channel. Once you have selected your niche, it is time to create your channel. First, you go on youtube.com and click on the photo icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next, you click Create an Account in the drop-down menu that appears. It is best you use an email you haven't used for YouTube before. That way, you can train YouTube's algorithm to only show you related to your niche and your competitors. Now you have to pick a name and add a profile picture. You can tell ChatGPT to suggest a name for your channel, which is related to your niche. You can also browse through your competitors' names to have an idea of the type of names that are most common. Your next task is adding a profile picture, and you can also use ChatGPT for this, but we will suggest you use Grok on X. It is simply better at creating logos that fit your prompt. Once you are done creating your logo, download it to your device. Go back to YouTube and click on the profile picture icon. Then select the logo you just created. Voila! Lastly, you type in a username, and if YouTube accepts it, click on the Create an Account button. Now your account is created and you can move to setting up your channel's SEO. Click on the icon the top right again, and click on YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you will have access to all your analytics and settings, which allows you to manage your channel SEO. We'll do 4 things here. Change location to your current location. Add relevant keywords that will enable the algorithm push your videos to a larger audience. For this, you can use Vita, which would show you the channel tags your competitors are using. You just have to copy them and add them to yours. Select if your videos are for kids or not. Little advice here. Even if you'll be posting kid-friendly videos, don't put your channel as a kid's channel. Most kids use their parents' phones to access YouTube, and those phones have an adult age in their email, so YouTube won't push your videos to their feed. Also, you can tell YouTube to not show hateful or inappropriate comments. You will find this under Advanced Settings. In Community Settings, you can list words that you don't want to appear in your comment section. Finally, click Save and your channel is good to go. The best part of having a YouTube automation channel is that you don't have to worry much about content creation. You can execute the entire production process using AI alone. The process is in 3 steps: script, audio creation, video editing. Before you begin, you need a video idea, and no, you don't have to wreck your brain thinking of one. All you need to do is go to your competitor's channel, click on Latest, and randomly pick a video with really high views in a short amount of time. Click on the video and use the transcript as a template to create a script. You can get the YouTube video summary with ChatGPT extension from Chrome Web Store, which lets you summarize the transcript of any video you are watching. Next, you want to create a voiceover, and for that you can use 11 Labs or Murph.ai. A quick search on YouTube will show you videos that will teach you how to do just that. When you have created your voiceover and script, you are going to need to send these to a video editor. You will get a video editor on Upwork for as low as $15 per hour. You will send the editor the script, audio files, and link to the video you took inspiration from. Now you only have to wait for the finished product. Now let's talk about monetizing your channel. The traditional route is through the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for this, you will need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours for long-form videos, or 10 million views for shorts. These look like a long haul, but here's the thing. We are not trying to create a new video. We are merely replicating another video that already has thousands of views. If you go back to the video we used as our template, copy the title and paste in YouTube search, you will find that there are already several copycats already. You are simply joining the bandwagon and doing it better. Now, if there's a traditional route, it means there's a modern method too. That method we are talking about is buying an already monetized account. On DFY Dave, you can buy already monetized accounts, which would allow you to start earning from the get-go. The prices for these channels can be quite steep, with some in the $1,000 range, but it is an investment that is well worth it. YouTube automation channels solve a problem that has long plagued the YouTube ecosystem, which is the high cost of churning out quality videos. With AI, the production time has been halved, and you can get quality videos without spending much. Also, you spend less time on content creation and more on managing your channel's growth. If you follow the steps we have talked about in this video, then you are on your way to building multiple income streams. And if anyone asks, you heard it here first. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with us. Until next time, bye for now.